Hey, this is Roger. Our home is just about 2.5 years old, and I never thought I was going to have to deal with this. So I called my local plumber. I love my local plumber. The guy's about my age. He's fantastic, old school. But there's another plumber that I keep in my back pocket on auto dial, which is ER Plumbing. So you might have seen my video where they did my service on my tankless water heater. But today I have another problem. All of a sudden my drain, which is, it's 2 inches, and then it goes out to 3 inches to go out. And as you know, the plumbing is in the slab. And what happened was I had my regular plumber come, and he nah, my snake's not long enough to make this happen. So I called ER Services, and let's just see what they're doing right now. They've got this electric snake. So the technician is inserting it down the drain. He's got it all plugged in. And I just wonder what's going to come out of here after only about 2.5 years. Let's see what happens. Oh, he's getting his gloves on. He's getting real serious up in here. Real serious. Uh-oh, here we go. And guys, I would recommend ER Plumbing. Different from my guy that's just got a small snake hand. This one is electric, and the technician has inserted it. And now he turned it on, the motor is cranking, and it is basically sending that snake down. And what's going to happen is we probably won't see what comes out because they'll probably send it out to that 3-inch, go from the 2-inch to the 3-inch. And let's just see what happens. Well, this is industrial strength here. Bam. So guys, I do like ER Plumbing. They've got a group of technicians. They're very professional, and they've done everything for me over the last decade, as changing out a hot water heater at the other house, servicing my tankless water heater. Man, this thing is cranking. And now get the big electric snake out to clean the drain so that it doesn't pool. If you ain't got the machine, you can't do this. Very professional. It's going to work. It's going to happen. And we're back in business. Thank you, ER Plumbing.